Can a robot really sell your home faster and for more money than a human? Let's dive into the AI revolution shaking up the real estate world. First, let's explore AI's strengths. Property valuation. AI algorithms can analyze mountains of data, market trends, comparable sales, even neighborhood demographics to provide remarkably accurate property valuations within seconds. Next up, lead generation. AI-powered tools can identify potential buyers and sellers through online behavior, predict their needs, and even personalize marketing campaigns, connecting agents with warmer leads, meaning faster sales. AI also shines in customer service. Chatbots can handle routine inquiries, schedule showings, and provide instant answers to common questions. This frees up agents to focus on the high-tech aspects of the job. But here's where the limitations kick in. Real estate is more than just numbers. It's about emotions, empathy, and building trust. Imagine AI handling a sensitive negotiation or consoling a worried seller. Human agents excel at understanding individual needs, navigating complex emotional situations, and building long-term relationships. These are skills I simply can't replicate. The future isn't about replacing agents. It's about empowering them. Think of AI as a superpowered assistant, handling the tedious tasks and freeing agents to focus on what they do best, building relationships and closing deals. So, can AI do a realtor's job? Not entirely, but by embracing AI's strengths and recognizing its limitations, real estate professionals can thrive in this exciting new era. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What AI tools are you most excited about in real estate?